Have you ever wondered how much it really costs to own a home in California? You might think that buying a house in California is a dream come true, but you'll be shocked to find out how much it actually costs to own and maintain a property here. So, if you're thinking about moving to the Golden State, or you're just curious about the housing market here, make sure you watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm going to reveal the real cost of owning a home in California, based on the latest data and research. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So, stay tuned, and let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that California is one of the 10 most expensive states to build a home in, according to GoBanking rates, ranking 8th behind states like Hawaii and New York. The median price of land was $59,000 per acre, according to the Storage Cafe. That means that if you want to buy a plot of land and build your own house, you'll have to shell out a lot of money up front. And that's not even counting the cost of labor, materials, permits, and taxes. But what if you want to buy an existing home instead? Well, you're not going to save much either. The median price for a single-family home in California was $843,340. According to September 2023 data from the California Association of Realtors, CAR, that's more than double the nationwide median of $394,300. And in some areas like San Francisco, Los Angeles, and San Diego, the prices are even higher, reaching over $1 million or more. Welcome to Real Estate Trends, and don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon for more updates. So, how do people afford to buy a house in California? Well, most of them don't. According to the CAR, 15% home buyers could afford to purchase a median-priced existing single-family home in California in third quarter 2023. That means that 85% of Californians are priced out of the market and have to either rent, live with relatives, or move to another state. But let's say you're one of the lucky few who can afford to buy a house in California. You might think that the mortgage is the only thing you have to worry about, right? Wrong. There are many hidden costs that come with owning a home, and they can add up to thousands of dollars every year. According to a new survey of 1,000 homeowners from the website Real Estate Witch, in addition to their mortgage payments, the average U.S. homeowner spends $17,459 annually on hidden costs. And in California, the costs are likely to be even higher due to the higher cost of living, taxes, and utilities. The first hidden cost is utilities. Utilities include things like electricity, gas, water, sewer, trash, internet, cable, and phone. These are essential services that you need to run your home, and they can vary depending on the size, location, and condition of your property. The most expensive hidden cost of homeownership is the price of utilities. Homeowners spend $4,975 on utilities each year, nearly 2x more than renters. And in California, the utilities are even more expensive due to the high demand, environmental regulations, and natural disasters. According to Energy Sage, on average, California residents spend about $268 per month on electricity. That adds up to $3,216 per year. And according to the American Water Works Association, the average monthly water bill in California was $81 in 2023. The second hidden cost is maintenance and upkeep. Maintenance and upkeep include things like lawn care, pest control, cleaning, repairs, and replacements. These are necessary tasks that you need to do to keep your home in good shape and prevent bigger problems from arising. The average homeowner spends $4,283 a year on maintenance and upkeep. And in California, the maintenance and upkeep costs are likely to be higher due to the harsh weather, natural disasters, and aging infrastructure. According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, from 1980 to 2023, there were 46 confirmed climate disaster events, with losses exceeding $1 billion each to affect California. These disasters included wildfires, droughts, floods, landslides, and earthquakes, which can cause significant damage to homes and properties. And according to the American Society of Civil Engineers, the most recent national infrastructure grade is a C-, indicating that it is in mediocre condition and requires attention. The third hidden cost is home improvements. Home improvements include things like remodeling, renovating, upgrading, and adding features to your home. These are optional projects that you do to improve the appearance, functionality, comfort, and value of your home. The average homeowner spends $3,890 a year on home improvements. And in California, the home improvement costs are likely to be higher due to the high demand, labor shortage, and material costs. However, according to the National Association of Home Builders, the growth in the average price level of building materials fell from 15% in 2022 to 1.3% in 2023. And according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average wage for a construction worker in California is around $22.83 per hour in 2023. The fourth hidden cost is property taxes. Property taxes are taxes that you pay to the local government based on the assessed value of your property. These taxes are used to fund public services like schools, roads, parks, and libraries. The average homeowner spends $2,795 a year on property taxes. And in California, the property taxes are likely to be higher due to the high property values and tax rates. According to taxrates.org, the average effective property tax rate in California was 0.74%. So, the median property tax bill in California is likely to be higher than the national average due to the high property values and tax rates. The fifth hidden cost is homeowner's insurance. Homeowner's insurance is a type of insurance that covers your home and personal property from damage, theft, and liability. It also covers additional living expenses if you have to temporarily move out of your home due to a covered loss. The average homeowner spends $1,516 a year on homeowner's insurance. And in California, the homeowner's insurance costs are likely to be higher due to the high risk of natural disasters and lawsuits. According to various sources, the average annual premium for homeowners insurance in California was $1,266 in 2023. And according to the most recent data available from the U.S. Chamber Institute for Legal Reform, California ranked 48 out of 50 states in terms of legal climate in 2019, indicating that it is one of the most litigious and costly states for businesses and consumers. So, let's add up all these hidden costs and see how much they amount to. Utilities, $4,975. Maintenance and upkeep, $4,283. Home improvements, $3,890. Property taxes, $2,795. Homeowners insurance, $1,516. The total is $17,459. That's the average annual cost of owning a home in the US, in addition to the mortgage. And in California, the costs are likely to be even higher due to the factors we discussed. That means that if you buy a median-priced home in California that is around $800,000 with a 20% down payment and a 30-year fixed mortgage at 6.5% interest rate, you'll have to pay $4,045 a month for the mortgage, plus $1,455 a month for the hidden costs, for a grand total of $5,500 a month or $66,000 a year. So, is it worth it to buy a house in California? Well, that depends on your personal and financial situation, your goals and preferences, and your expectations and tolerance for risk. Buying a house in California can be a great investment if you can afford it, if you plan to stay for a long time, if you enjoy the lifestyle and amenities, and if you're prepared for the challenges and uncertainties. But buying a house in California can also be a huge burden if you can't afford it, if you plan to move soon, if you don't like the environment and culture, and if you're not ready for the costs and risks. So, before you make a decision, you need to do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and consult with a professional. And if you decide to buy a house in California, you need to be smart, strategic, and savvy. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the real cost of owning a home in California? Do you think it's worth it or not? And why? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to read your opinions and thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.